Today, let's explore Kobe, a vibrant port city known for its flavorful twists. Kobe, nestled between the sea and the Rokko mountain range, is a city that beautifully blends the old with the new. It's famous worldwide for Kobe beef, but there is so much more to discover in this charming city. Start your visit at the bustling Kobe Harborland, a lively waterfront area packed with shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Stroll along the promenade, enjoy the seaside view, and take a ride on the Ferris wheel for a panoramic view of the cities. Just a short walk away, you will find the Kobe Port Tower. This iconic red tower offers an observation deck with stunning views of the city's harbor and surrounding mountains. It is a perfect spot for photos, especially at sunset when the city lights begin to twinkle. For a taste of history, head to the Kita-no-sho district. This area is known for its well-preserved Western-style houses built by foreign merchants and diplomats in the late 19th century. Exploring these elegant houses gives you a glimpse into Kobe's international past. No visit to Kobe is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Of course, Kobe beef is a must-try. This high-quality, marbled beef is renowned for its tenderness and rich flavor. You can savor it in various forms, from steak to shabu-shabu, at many restaurants throughout the city. But Kobe's food scene doesn't stop at beef. There is also a local specialty that's a softer, eggier version of takoyaki, octopus balls. These tasty bites are served with a savory dashi broth for dipping. Kobe is also known for its sake. The Nara district is home to some of Japan's most famous sake breweries. Visit a brewery to learn about the sake making process and enjoy a tasting session. The fresh mountain water and favorable climate make Kobe's sake some of the best in the country. For a peaceful escape, take the cable car up to Mount Rokko. The view from the top is breathtaking, especially at night when you can see the glittering lights of Kobe and Osaka. While you're there, visit the Rokko Alpine Botanical Garden and the Rokko Garden Terrace. Before you leave, don't forget to snap a photo of the culinary adventures and tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!